In today's video, I'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 updates KB5050009/KB5049622 not installing on your device. If you're struggling with these updates, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start the App Readiness service. Open the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services from the results. Scroll down and locate App Readiness. Double-click it to open the properties. Set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply, then Start, if it's highlighted, and then click OK. Now try updating your system. If the issue persists, move to the next step. Step 2. Relocate the WinREAgent folder. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then C drive. Look for the folder named WinREAgent. If you can't see it, click View, then Show Hidden Items. Copy the folder to a safe location, like your desktop, for backup. Delete the folder from the C drive. Try updating Windows again. After the update, restart your computer. If the update succeeds, you can move the folder back to its original location. Step 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. Restart your computer and check if the update installs. Step 4. Restart Windows Update Services. Open the Windows search bar and type Services. Locate Windows Update in the list. Double-click it and set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply, then Start, and then click OK. Right-click Windows Update and select Restart. Repeat these steps for the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Once done, try updating Windows again. Step 5. Use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Visit the official Microsoft website link in the description. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to update your system. Step 6. Manually install the update via Microsoft Update Catalog. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website, link in the description. Search for KB5050009 or KB5049622 in the search bar. Download the update file matching your system, e.g., x64 for 64-bit. Install the update manually and restart your computer. Step 7. Reset Windows Update Components. Copy the reset commands provided in the video description. Open Notepad and paste the commands. Save the file as wureset.bat and set the file type to All Files. Right-click the saved file and select Run as administrator. Let the script complete and restart your computer. After rebooting, try updating Windows again. Step 8. Use the Media Creation tool. Download the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website link in the description. Run the tool, accept the terms, and choose Upgrade this PC now. Follow the prompts to complete the installation while keeping your files and apps intact. Conclusion. One of these steps should resolve the issue and allow you to install the update successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genie, leave a comment if you have questions or other issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next troubleshooting video.